My name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're here today in beautiful Newtown, Connecticut to take a look at some serious storm drain issues that are causing the customer's basement to get flooded. What we're going to do is take a look at all outgoing lines, find out where they go, flush them all out, and get this customer back in business. Hello again. We seem to have located outgoing line connecting to a curtain drain that runs along the side of the property. This line was not flowing, and now that we've jetted it successfully, it is flowing. We use our camera inspection equipment to go ahead into the line and find out what caused the issue, if there's any underlying issues. And we happen to find one. Over here, at a close distance to where the outgoing line is, you can see that we have a collapse. We're going to camera again, continuing going on towards the house to make sure there's no other issues in the line. Now sometimes this can be buried very deep, and this pipe is a very thin pipe and can be collapsed very easily. Okay, so we've found another outgoing drain line, two actually, that connect to the footing drains going to the customer's house. Now, we jetted these lines and we video camera inspected, and unfortunately we found two spots where we have collapses, which is most likely where this customer is having a clog causing the basement to flood. Once they correct that issue, dig up the pipe and fix it, they shouldn't have that problem anymore.